In this flipped classroom presentation, students will learn about production and manufacturing types and the businesses that use them. Products can be broken into three different categories: natural resources, or raw materials that are supplied by the earth; agricultural products, like crops and livestock; and processed goods, which are typically man-made. Processed goods are typically created in a laboratory, in a workshop, or on the floor of a manufacturing facility. They're changed from their original form to increase their usefulness and their value. An extractor is a type of business that takes raw materials from the earth and uses it in their own operations or processes it for someone else. A farmer, of course, tends to land or livestock to later sell or process for profit. And a manufacturer or producer takes materials from others, makes new products from them, and then sells them to businesses and consumers. Extraction and cultivation exists when materials are obtained from nature or grown using natural resources. This is the most basic and traditional form of production and ensures that a supply of resources is always available. Processing is a form of production where a product or a resource is changed or improved. Some examples of processing include water, which is filtered, put into bottles, and sold at retail locations; timber, which is cut and formed into lumber and paper; oil, which is refined and made into gas, heating oil, and petroleum products; and crops and livestock, which are grown and raised and then sent to plants for processing. Manufacturing typically combines extraction and processing, and combines raw materials and processed goods. Products which are manufactured are used by businesses and consumers of all shapes and sizes, and manufacturing is used to create products as simple as furniture and as complex as microchips. One type of manufacturing is mass production. You might already be familiar with the assembly line process, where a company uses repetitive production to make as many identical products as possible, oftentimes using automation or robots. Mass production is used for its speed and efficiency and is used commonly by automobile manufacturers and beverage bottling companies around the world. Custom manufacturing, on the other hand, is used to meet the needs of the customer by building one-of-a-kind custom items. While custom manufacturing might be a slower process, it's used to set a business apart from its competition. Examples of custom manufacturing include custom ink and Nike ID.